Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove leftover files after uninstalling programs in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has completely loaded up and you're on your desktop. Once your PC is ready and everything has finished loading, you can begin cleaning up those unnecessary leftover files that remain after uninstalling applications. To start, navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Once it opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in %temp%. Make sure to include the % symbols before and after the word temp, as this is the specific command that will direct you to the temporary files folder. After typing it in, press Enter on your keyboard. This action will immediately open your temporary folder directory. This is the location where Windows stores all cache and temporary files from various applications, including those from programs you've already uninstalled. You'll notice a collection of files and folders displayed in this directory, and these are exactly the leftover files that are taking up unnecessary space on your system. Now, to remove all these leftover files at once, simply select all the files included within this folder. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard, or you can click on one file and then press Ctrl+A to highlight everything. Once all the files are selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove all the temporary and cache files that have been left behind by uninstalled applications, freeing up valuable storage space on your computer. This temporary folder is specifically designed to store these kinds of files, so clearing it out regularly helps keep your system running smoothly and prevents unnecessary clutter from building up over time. Now that's it! You've successfully removed all leftover files after uninstalling programs in Windows 11, helping your computer stay clean and optimized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.